From what seemed like an inevitable end, Microsoft has officially ended Skype's 2-decade-long run of video conference servicing for businesses worldwide. Now, the writing was on the wall for a while, so businesses were able to say their goodbyes and start migrating data over, but where to? And so that's been the biggest question. From Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom, businesses are asking a complex but very simply worded question. What do we use now? Now, just as a reminder, we're going to give a breakdown of these 3 video conference softwares. I'm not going to tell you which one's best for you, because only you know what's best for your business. I just want to give you the info to succeed. First up, Microsoft Teams. Now, if you were an avid Skype user, this might be a really good option for you and your team, because Microsoft is allowing a full data migration of everything from Skype over to Teams just by logging into Skype through your Microsoft 365 account. Now, Teams is an all-in-one collaboration platform that works within the Microsoft 365 world. So collaboration with SharePoint, OneDrive, Word, Excel, all of that Microsoft apps. So if you're already working within that, this might be the perfect opportunity for you. Now, when it comes to the free version of Teams, you can have up to 100 participants per meeting, unlimited one-on-one calls, and unlimited group meetings for up to 1 hour. Features also include 5 GB of cloud storage per user, unlimited chat throughout all coworkers and clients, file sharing, tasks, polling, and data encryption for meetings, chats, calls, and files. Now, maybe your business isn't working through Microsoft 365 and you certainly don't feel like switching everyone over and making accounts and all that. Maybe you already work through the Google Drive. Well, Google Meet might be just for you. So Google Meet is an all-in-one video conferencing platform that, just like Teams with Microsoft, this integrates with all the Google apps. And this is really, really simple if you already have a Google account. Everything's going to integrate seamlessly. Now, as far as the free version for Google Meet, it's accessible to anyone with a Google account and has the following features: up to 100 participants per meeting, unlimited one-on-one calls, and group calls for up to 1 hour. Now, features here include screen sharing, live captions, integration with all the Google apps like Docs, Sheets, your Google Calendar, and data encryption for video and audio streams. Now, just like Microsoft Teams, you and your business could reach the limits of the free version very quickly. But if you're a smaller business that already is integrated with Google Cloud and Google Workspaces, this may be the perfect fit for you. And finally, that brings us to Zoom. Now, Zoom, like most people are aware, grew to prominence through the pandemic in the year 2020, as it was kind of the known video conferencing software. Now, this really is the apple of the eye of people looking for big conferences. Being able to hold a lot of participants is Zoom's claim to fame, along with having really good app integrations in third-party sense for being able to do so much more when it comes to presentation through your conference. Now, the free version of Zoom has similar features as the previous platforms, up to 100 participants per meeting. This actually has a 40-minute limit as opposed to 60. And features include local recording of meetings, team chats, limited features of the add-on applications like Zoom Mail, Calendar, and Docs. But the most notable difference in Zoom from other softwares is that it really has a lot of integrations and third-party add-ons that make it wonderful for being able to really spruce up your video calls, whether that be a webinar or educational reasons like teaching classes and courses. So if you're looking to host larger meetings and being able to visually show off assets, Zoom might be for you. So overall, there's no wrong answer. Depends where your business is and where it's looking to go. Are you already on Microsoft 365 accounts? Teams might be for you. Or do you already work within Google Drive? Meet is the way to go. Or maybe you are educational, or you host big webinars and you need to be able to visually show off some stunning assets. Zoom might be the path. Do me a favor, leave a like and definitely comment. We want people to chime in on this. What did we miss? What's the benefits, the pros and cons of all these different softwares? Let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, how are you? Could you imagine if you liked and subscribed to the channel right now because you want to stay up to date on the newest tech tips and news? That'd be so wild. Oh, that's interesting.